I got some Christmas stuff here. So I've got the Peter Parker, the delivery guy. My wife got this for me because I was missing it from this set. And then she got me Mysterio, which is really detailed. Even his back shirt is detailed. It's kind of cool how this guy's really detailed. But I love his outfit. Really cool. Like the little intricacies and everything. So that's what she got me. And now I'm going to start to build. So I'm going to take this piece here and this piece, and we're going to pop this on top like that. And I'm going to take these three things, these three snots, if you will. Well, they're actually double snots because they have the stud on top, you know, or on the side, or whatever you want to call it. It's kind of weird thing that they call this. Okay, so then this. Okay, so I'm going to take this part here. Then I'm going to put this like this. So I'll get this. Eventually, I'll get this on here. Come on. This is a difficulty I have to deal with sometimes. Wait, that's not right. I'll put that like that. It's like that. And then we'll put this last one back like this. And I'll put this orange cog here, like that. And then I'm going to take this big piece and I'm going to put it like this. And this is going to go on this one. Like, wait. I forgot to put the two windows on. Yes, I did. Okay. So I need 1, 2 windows. Like that. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. Yep. Okay, and then we're going to pop that on here like this. You know, and then the way this works is this is going to be like that. Yeah, just like that at an angle. What do you think? So, like I said, there's Green Goblin's going to come out of here, so we're just building this outer rim so it looks like the glass is broken and it's flying away from the building. It's pretty neat. I like the details on these. It's really cool. All right, so I think I can build this next one. It'll be a little tricky though. Okay, so the next one's going to look like this. So that's going to go like that. I'm going to put this 1x3 on here like that, and break my finger. Non-conformity. Okay, so there we go. All right, and then on top of that, I'm going to put this down for a minute. I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put this on here. And that's how that should look. And this is going to go on top of here. Like that. I'm trying to straighten it up a little bit. And then I'm going to put this one up here. So like that. I'm going to take this part. I'm going to go like this with it. Just like that. we go. And then this is going to go right here like that. Yeah, just like that. And then I've got 2 windows. Actually, I've got 3 windows. So I've got these 2 here. And then I've got this one. Oh, wait, where is this going? Okay, and this one's going a little bit off kilter. Okay, so that's how that's supposed to be. And then pop this. Wow. This thing hates me. All right. I'll put this right in here. And my son is here with breakfast. I'll see you in the next video.